Alrighty, guys, it's the Punk Rope crew again. And we got Chip holding the rubber chicken, and David's got a rubber chicken, and this is the rubber chicken toss relay. So, rubber chickens, we'll get a close-up. Nice. We're using risers here. These are risers from aerobics steps. They work well as baskets, but you could also use a laundry basket or any receptacle. And the game involves tossing that rubber chicken roughly 10 feet to get it into the basket. Now, if Chip bounces it in, it still counts. And he's going to just give us a demo. Ooh, rimmed out. Okay. But if it went in and then bounced out, it would not count. And we're just going to play for a couple of minutes. The tosser needs to stay behind that orange line. So Marta's going to stay behind that line. And there she goes. Oh, beautiful. Both teams will count their own buckets. And then, but we haven't started yet officially. And then at the end of the 2 minutes or so, we'll see who is the winning team. This is another drill that led to the Knicks championship, by the way. So take note of that. Okay, teams, are you ready? Let's reset. They're ready. Reset. Wait, Shana. Wait. All right, get ready. Count your own buckets, get set, and go. Okay, now retrieving is important. The tosser can either throw the chicken back to a teammate, or they can walk it or run it back. Throwing back is typically faster, but it's also riskier because if it's an errant throw and it goes over your teammate's head, that could cost you valuable time. All right, so let's get... there we go. Oh! On the bounce. A one hop. Nice throw. Good job. Good work, you guys. About a minute to go. Oh! Now, if we were using a basket, like a laundry basket instead of a riser, you'd probably not have so many of these bounce out. Nice. But, you know, it adds an element of excitement. By the way, the Knicks won last night, so we're all on cloud nine. Oh, nice one. Maybe we should have a 3-point shot in this. 30 seconds, you guys. Beautiful. Oh, it's a tough rim there. Ah, totally unfair. Nice one. Good work, you guys. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, what do we got? What's the final? 6-6? Yeah, John had 4. It's a tie. It's going to overtime. Oh, no. Great job, you guys. They're all winners. Thank you for watching. That was the rubber chicken relay toss. And drop your comments below, and we will answer your questions. And we'll see you next time.